Hey, hello, beautiful people. Welcome back once again to this channel. If you're new here, welcome, 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 welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So, in today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how I was able to get this hair done using an old braiding hair. Yes, an old braiding hair. So, if you have any hair extension you've used for your braids and you want to throw it away, please tell your sister, tell your auntie. Do not do that. It is reusable. You can use it for great new hairstyles. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing today. I have a video which I'll link in the description box on how to straighten it up. Comb through thoroughly before installing. So I would link that in the description box. So let's get right into the video. So the very first thing we'll need is a dome cap padded this way. I'll also link that in the description box on how to do that. I went ahead and I cut my hair into two, and then I started crocheting. So when you are crocheting from the back, I have learned a new technique. Just don't use too much hair. It should be very small, and also you can decide to cut the exact hair into two. So you can fill from the back to like a quarter, and then you continue to the top with the longer hair. Because I realized starting from the back using a longer hair and then continuing all through is just a waste of hair. Yes, it's just a waste of hair. You get the volume you're looking for. So to save some hair, you can cut it into two and crochet a little from the back, just a quarter, and then you continue to the top with the longer hair. So I am going to stop talking now so you guys would watch, and then I come through when necessary so I explain it all better.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine.
So guys, when you get to the closure patterning, you are only going to take two strands of hair to create this effect on both sides. I've already done one side, but I'm demonstrating how I was able to get the other side done. So it's either 2 to 3 strands of hair to give you a more natural look. Yes, this process, I don't have to talk much. You just have to do the watching to get it better.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine.
So this is our finished look, guys. I love the outcome. I love it so much, guys. So you can see that any used braiding hair is valuable. Don't throw it away. So share the video, like, comment, subscribe, and keep coming back. Support your girl. I love all the love you guys are showing me, guys. I love it so much. So keep coming back, and I promise you I'm going to be delivering exactly on this very one, because I really want to help a lot of girls out there. Like, I see people braid their hair and when they are done, they just throw it away. Don't do that. Look at this beauty. This is beautiful. Nobody would even, how would they know? Nobody is going to know that it is coming out of a used hair. This is really gorgeous. So do not forget to do the needful. Like the video, subscribe, comment, and share. I'm going to see you in my next one. Peace. Bye.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the